Oh, everybody, this is Xenon the Fixer. Alright, so I got an app called Subway. After been using it like a couple months, and I checked reviews, people have been using it, then there's a catch in this app, the Subway. They've been having a lot of login problems and coupons. You know, when you want to use the app, let me go in the app. After you sign in, you want to use your tokens or you want to order something, but somehow it don't let you log in or it doesn't let you use your tokens. A lot of people have been having this problem on this Subway app. What you could do to fix this app, let me press start over. Okay, right now they're closed. But, okay. You got to go up here, press these three little lines, and you have to log out. So if you cannot log in or you cannot use the coupons, the tokens and stuff like that, just log out. Just wait. And then you log in again. Just go up here. You know what? I couldn't even log out. Look at that. Okay. Now to log in, just sign in with X16 account. Just use your email and your password. And that should fix your login or your tokens for your coupons. If that don't fix, just go to Play Store. I was saying, just go to Play Store. Now press uninstall. You wait until it installs. You install it again. Now, after that, when it's done, you could go log in again, and that should work and use your tokens again. But thanks for watching, and this is Xenon the Fixer. Let me say it again. Xenon the Fixer. One more time. Xenon the Fixer. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.